Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Poole Outdoors. My name is Paul and I'm going to share with you a recent night hike I did in aid of a charity called the Nimsdai Foundation. So the hike started off at Poole Quay at the cafe called Bravery, and from the Bravery Café we hiked along Poole Quay through round Holes Bay, through Upton Country Park, which is a beautiful country park. If you're ever in the area, I do recommend a visit there. Through Upton towards Organford, through Wareham Forest in towards Wareham, and then from Wareham we followed the river down onto Stoborough Heath, and then from Stoborough all the way through Rempstone Heath towards Agglestone Rock. Sunrise was just about to rise up over the horizon, and I managed to get down onto Knoll Beach, and that's where I caught a beautiful sunrise, and that made the entire 26 miles up to that point worth every single step. Probably my favourite moment of the day. And then got ready for the first ferry, which was at 7 a.m, which took me across to Sandbanks, and then from Sandbanks we followed pavements, so hard on the feet, all the way back to the Bravery Café, and that was where we ended the 30-mile hike. In fact, it was around about 32 miles in total, and there I picked up my very, very well-deserved and definitely needed sausage and bacon bap, and that went down an absolute treat. I took on this challenge not just for the adventure, but also to help support a charity called the Nimsdai Foundation. I was one of the lucky few who was able to get a place on this night hike, and the charity is a good cause set up by a mountaineer called Nims Purja. He is a record-breaking mountaineer. You may have seen the film on Netflix called 14 Peaks. Nims Purja, he wanted to give back to his homeland communities, and he wanted to support young climbers with access to education, technology, and the tools they need to shape their future. So it's a great cause, and I highly recommend leaving them a donation. There's also a link in the description below where you can get involved or leave a donation, and I'll leave a link to this website as well.
At the bottom of that road, that's right. Yeah. Right. I've gone past the threshold now, so I can't quit. So we've just gone past the 10-mile mark, coming up to Sanford. Or through Sanford, coming up to Wareham now. Being okay, knees are okay, feet seems to be okay. Although my feet are a little bit tender, newish boots, so still wearing in, so I can't see where I'm going on shielded lights with my eyes. But next stop will be towards Agglestone. That's another 10 miles to go, so not too bad, doing okay. Time now is 1 a.m, just gone. It's a bit quiet down here in Wareham. So coming up to the halfway mark in about 2 miles. flag and the glow stick.
너 말해 I understand you 살며시 숨을 보내 넌 지나지 않을 것 같지만 Someday I see the light 잠시 눈을 감고 기다리면 Then everything will be alright. Is it over now? Tell me who you become. Was it just a trick of light fading into what we are done? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Are we just tired of the fight? Or just scared to walk away? Caught in between what was love and the ghost of yesterday. Can we go back to those days?
So I'm at mile 24 and a half right now, and look at this for a beautiful sunrise. Cold, sun's about to come up in a few minutes. Lovely. So I'm going to crack on because the first ferry's at 7:10. I want to get there, and there's a food base. Look how beautiful that is. It's lovely, and that's Old Harry Rocks in the distance. Got a beach to myself. Decided to come this way instead.
Oh yeah.
Brilliant. Sorry.